All right, here we are. It's a gloomy day in the Villages, Florida, but I have a beautiful house for you. We are at 3320 Davis Terrace in the village of DeLuna. This is a Topaz model. What's unique about this, it has a 2-car garage, and gentlemen, you have room for some of your toys. Ladies, I'm not excluding you when it comes to the garage, but for some reason, the garage turns the guys on, okay? So we'll highlight the garage for the guys, and then we can take a tour of the rest of the house for you. There's actually privacy in the back. On the other side of that fence is a pasture. So, all right, let's go take a look around. I'm gonna give you all the particulars in the bottom. My number is always gonna be up at the top. Let's hit it. Oh, we're gonna greet Todd. Photographer's here. All right, so we're gonna take a look around the outside. And they've added some additional landscaping. So if you know anything about like this section, what happened is, okay, I gotta make sure I got my sound. They didn't put concrete around the side here. They left a space, so you have to go inside to get to that concrete, but they put the stone in here, and it's so much nicer than the typical pine straw that you find. But again, this is a 2-car garage, and you do have a little bit of space here outside. And I love the leaded glass on the front door. It brings in so much natural light. For just a little bit of glass that's there, it really does make a difference. Now, whatever's here in furniture is staying, with the exception of the bedding, the comforters, and there's one I'll show you. It's a blow-up mattress they have just for showing purposes, but everything else will stay. And the bond, the CDD information will be listed below. This is Sumter Wildwood, and we're kind of close to the DeLuna exit on Route 301, so you do have easy access in and out. Or, of course, you can drive through the community and get onto Warm Springs Trail. We're probably about 15 minutes from Eastport and probably 10 from Brownwood by car. Now, I've seen others maybe put the sofa, where's my finger? There it is, on that wall. There. I'll show you what that would look like if you put everything up here. And you can put the TV on that slanted wall. Just to make it look a little different. You know, sometimes you want to feel like you're in a new house, move the furniture around a little bit, change it up. You can put, now this really lacks a formal dining room space, but you could put a small table here and it'll serve the purpose, like right there. But really, you've got a really large island. So, you know, I think it works, but that's me. I don't usually eat at the table anyway. We do have interior laundry. This is south of 44. And they've chose to put a stackable washer dryer here to add some additional space inside of the laundry closet. And there is a shelf. They already have a shelf with some shelving in it, so you can, you know, whatever, put your soap and paper towels. But even if you wanted to put a little cabinet in here, you have space to do so. The cabinets are brownish, and the flooring, the roll vinyl flooring, is also a brownish kind of gray. We do have cooking gas because we are south of 44. Things cleaned up. So we have dishes, and there's a set of pots. You know, there might be a few things you would want to fill in if this were to, if you were going to use this as a rental, or even if it's a snowbird home, you know, you've got everything here. You don't have to move a lot of stuff with you. Or if you're a full-time resident, You have a lot of things here that you don't need to buy. What I like too is this sink is a little on the deeper side. Some of the sinks in the newer homes are really shallow. This is not. Garbage disposal. This is nice that they have the pull out for the trash, so you don't have to have a garbage pail out. But you've got, whoop. Get into the, so you have a nice big pantry. Oops. All right, take a swing around here again. And this is Formica. It's white, gray. Looks like it has a little bit of brown notes in it. Okay. Head into the back. Go into the primary bedroom. Now this is what I was talking about here. The comforter does not convey. That is a blow-up mattress under there. We did that just for aesthetics, for showing, so it looks finished. That's a fabric headboard, and that will stay, as will the window treatments. Now, I tell you, what I like about this is they don't have the closet door there. Closet is in the bathroom. I prefer it that way. And this is a large closet. There's carpet in there, and hood and shower. Dual sinks. Nice big vanity. If you have extra, like you could put shelving, pull out drawers here in the bathroom. And I know a lot of people here, you see this? They buy these so the doors don't bang up against the wall. Smart, smart, smart. But if you could put pull-outs in there. I don't have a very big vanity in my house, and I have a cart, and I keep everything on the cart, and I just wheel it out when I need it, or just go pull my blow dryer and stuff as needed. But, you know, you have some options there if you have a lot of things. So in the Topaz, the air handler is in the closet inside. Guest bath. Obviously, it's a single sink, and there is a tub. And this has a pocket door here to keep it shut. The carpet's in really good shape. They haven't owned this very long. The couple still live here in the Villages. They just decided that they didn't want to have a rental unit anymore, so their loss is your gain. And then big closet. And the same thing, the mattress will stay here, but the comforter does not. I don't know if you can see out here. Let's see here. Get that out of the way. I'll go over, but you can see your privacy in the back. All right. Let's hit the garage, okay? Yeah. So this model, different a little bit than, I have a Topaz on Cape Court. They bumped this out over here. So there's no coat closet in this model. That's where the coat closet would be. They made that a little bit bigger. So in the patio villas, you've heard me say this before, if you get something, something gets taken away just because they're all the same size. And that is insulated garage door. And they epoxied the floor. All right, let's take a peek around the outside. Pretty, let it glow. Oh, it actually got sunny, how nice. So now this is the neighbor's property, so we're not going to walk over there, but I just wanted you to see that's your neighbor. Very cute. They take care of the property. Like I said, they've done some additional landscaping here. Now, with these fences back here, if you wanted, you could put some shrubbery and make it private. I don't know, you might even be able to put a bird cage back here if you wanted to. But here, I'm going to show you this here. This is zoned agriculture. That's quiet. And remember, if you're looking for a pre-owned home, you need LS as well as a VLS sales associate to see all the properties that you can that are pre-owned. Watch this video, tell all about it. And pick up a copy of my home buying journal if you want to keep your home buying process neat and orderly and organized. And that you can get on Amazon. Also, check out other videos on my channel. I do have a couple patio villas and several other properties that might work for you. And I think we're gonna wrap it up here. All right, that's it for this home tour today of Davis Terrace in the village of DeLuna. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. Make them an offer they can't refuse. And if you know what movie that's from, put it in the notes below. Do you know what movie it's from? Okay, I'm not gonna give you a hint. All right, anyway, thank you for coming on this tour with me, and I will see you next time.